something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with herGivenHair today. This is my first time working with them. So let's go ahead and check out what's inside. So this is really, sleek. So let's see what's on the inside. Back of the box, they have their social media listed as well as their website. Everything is just herGivenHair. Oh, I love how, sophisticated and clean the package is. The wig is nicely wrapped in a branded tissue paper. At the bottom of the box, I have this beautiful drawstring bag, also branded. This is great for storing your wig. It's really nice. And then in the last thing in the box is, like a booklet here. No, it's just a card. And it's so nice. I think, yeah, this is Amara Negra on the front. She's so gorgeous. This is so pretty. Love this. Love this. And this is a literally like small wig instruction book. That's what it says. They took their time with this. This is really pretty. I love this. This has hair care, so how to install. It features different models and stuff in there. It's really informative. I love this book. So I love the fact that he took the time out to do something like this. Really nice. For today's wig, I got this gorgeous curly wig. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. It's a golden ombre curly lace front. It's a 13x6 that we're working with. It's beautifully constructed. It's definitely a HD lace that we're working with. The texture is 3B to 3C, so they're very specific with this texture, and it's a medium cap size. All right, this is 16 inches long. The inside of the cap looks pretty standard. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside, and it also has an extra like a strap so you can get more security, and it has adjustable bands in the back. All right, it looks really good. The lace is already bleached, so you don't have to worry about doing that, and it is lightly pre-plucked. Looks really good. It's very nice and thick, and it's very much giving natural, hence herGivenHair. They embrace that natural vibe, and I love it. Really love it. So I'm always sure to list the information down below in the description box as well, so please go ahead and check it out. You see how full this is to the tip of the wig? Yeah, that's real pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace from the bottom here. Then I'm going to proceed to install it. I'm gonna use Got To Be for installation. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slip this on. Feels very full. The quality feels really nice and thick. The density is perfect.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will tell me what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
just gonna take my elastic band to kind of, you know, melt it down more, and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Guys, the texture of this wig is the perfect hair texture to do a nice fluffy curly like afro, because it's so dense. I'm just gonna go ahead and make my swoops with some gel. I'm not gonna do like a lot of baby hairs for the edges, because this lace is really nice. And then I'll go back over the lace with this one last time to give it one final like meltdown. And I'll also use my blow dryer over this with cool air. So this is how it looks without me applying any product to it whatsoever. No gel, no pudding, no curl enhancing, nothing. It's nice and natural looking. The luster extremely natural. Like this looks like it's growing out of your scalp. If you have like 3B, 3C kind of hair texture, perfect. It's spot on. Spot on. So I love how natural it is. So it came, I'm gonna keep it with the center part. I'm just gonna kind of make it a little bit more, you know, a little bit more precise. So I'm gonna go over the parting here with a little concealer, because you know my wig cap is kind of showing beneath. I don't need to flat it all the way down with my my hot comb, because this is the type of wig where, you know, it has a lot of volume. You want it to like have that, but well, at least for me, this is not one of those looks where you're like flat down, you know, because it's so nice and curly and full. So I'm gonna keep it that way. But this is for all, like this is an option for all my girlies that love like a good big hair look. Like if you don't want to wet it up, this is perfect. You could even do like a side part or like a, you know, flip over vibe if that's what you want to do. You could even wand this up to, you know, or use rods in this if you want to get nice tight natural looking curls. That would be nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some water, but before I do that, as I said, I'm going to, you know, fix the parting here. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this wet. I have my spray bottle here, so I'll take my time and just spray it. I'm using one of the continuous spray bottles, which make it so easy to get the hair wet. This is a type of texture where I would really recommend applying just a little bit of pudding into, so it's just water in it as is, but I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner just to lock in some more moisture to get the curls more defined.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
So you see now, still very nice and full, but now super defined, right? As opposed to me not applying anything, no water, no product, nothing at all. Okay, looks pretty good. So I didn't even saturate it with too much, and it looks good. So this will fluff up even more as it dries down, but with the definition of the curls, and that's what you want, right? That's exactly what you want. Well, for me, I love this look. It's not giving super extreme wet look for now. Yeah, it's close to that, but as I said, as it dries, it will fluff up, but with the definition. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side. I'm actually I want to give you guys like a little bit of variety, because I need you to know that you can also go ahead and feel free to style this up, because it's a nice spacious lace. So since it's mostly the mid portion, that's 13x6, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, do like a little, you know, twist to the back. I'm gonna do like a nice flat twist vibe. And that's how that looks. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. So you see this lace right there. Also, this helps me to show you guys how natural the hairline also is, because it's everything about this hair gives realistic and natural. So I love that. I'm just reapplying some more water. To get, because it dries down pretty fast, the hair dries down pretty fast, and that's because of the texture, which is so gorgeous. That's pretty much it for me giving you an option with styling. You could style this many different ways. If you want to do multiple like cornrows in the middle here, you could go ahead and do that. Do whatever flows your boat. If you want to do like a full-on half up half down, go ahead and do that. But this is just an option, you know. It's pretty much just me giving you a style, a extra style, an idea for you to go ahead and put the wig in once you get it, and just make things a little bit more fun. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig install. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box if you guys are interested in getting today's wig that was featured from herGivenHair. Shout out to them. This wig is a 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend. The only thing is that you know, it does shed. So with these type of textures, I always say, yo, try your best on a daily basis, especially if you're going to be wearing it for multiple days, to detangle every single day, because if you leave this, it will get matted and very tangly and very difficult to detangle. So just to be on the safe side and to not let it like shed too much, you want to go ahead and detangle very regularly. That's the only thing. Everything else looks so good, so natural. It's a 10. Okay, so check out my description box. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.